relating electrical wiring diagrams to the unit, you always have, I mean always, but most of the time you have a layout like this, which should correlate to this actual setup here. Let's verify that. So here we have a central terminal board. It's here a central terminal board. Time guard. Okay, here we have a time guard. Should be another time guard. It's an accessory, so it's probably not there. What is OFR2? OFR, outdoor fan relay. Okay, I don't see that here. There might be an accessory. Oh yeah, accessory. Okay, so CCHR1 crankcase heater relay. Okay, so that's this one. That's not activated right now, so that's good. C2, T contactor compressor. Okay, so C2, that's this one. Circuit 2 is not on right now. C1, over there. Transformer, out there. Indoor fan contactor, over here. Ignition board, IGC is probably the ignition board. EC, integrated gas control, okay. It's up here. So you can see this wiring schematic usually is a parts diagram for the unit controls. So you can relate this to that, and then later you can cross-reference the words on here to your other circuits. For example, we looked at the C2, which is here, which is your C2 is your contactor. So you're going C2 over here, that's your line diagram. So you see C2, that's your contactor. So you have a black and a yellow, and you see that goes to your compressor too. And then this goes off to the yellow and goes here also to the outdoor fan. So anyways, if you look at it up, here you see contactor 2, black, yellow, and then you have another yellow going off and probably going over here to your condenser fan motors. Okay, let me know if that helps to understand some electrical drawings. All right, man, happy HVACing.